I would like to congratulate Alama Tahir for the launching of Talk TV this 5th February. I guess it's a special date, the Kashmir Day, when we remember the people in Kashmir and we support them in their struggles. I guess it's an important occasion to launch this channel as a way to express the Pakistan Interfaith Forum in a time where it's needed more and more dialogue, conversation, to learn from each other. This initiative is an important contribution to encounter the different communities in Pakistan and in South Asia. The idea of dialogue, of conversation, is essential for living together and for building a society in which justice and equality is the rule. So I would like to congratulate Alama Tahir for his efforts and for gathering all these scholars for reflecting together in the Pakistan Interfaith Forum. My congratulations, and may God continue blessing all these endeavors.